Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Mexican barbacoa in our Instant Pot. These are the ingredients. And we start off by blending our onion, our spice mix with salt, garlic cloves, and a half cup of water. My garlic cloves were frozen, that's why they look this color, but they still work. Okay, now it's time to add to our Instant Pot our beef. And then we're going to add everything what we just mixed on the blender, just like that, guys. And then we are going to add 1 cup of water. Now we're closing our Instant Pot and make sure it's to sealing, not venting. And we pressure cook it for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I just put the valve to venting, and now it's safe to open our Instant Pot. Be careful, it's hot. And voila, guys, there you have it. Super easy. You just get the meat out, you shred it, you make it into tacos, and you garnish with onions, cilantro, a little bit of lime. And there you have it. Super easy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Enjoy, guys. Bye.